Welcome back to my channel. Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you today what I'll typically eat on a day that I want to stay within a calorie deficit to maintain or lose weight, and meals that will keep you satiated for long, especially high in protein, lower in simple carbs. And this is a recipe that I try in different ways. Sometimes I make the bread myself, but it's filling, it's got a lot of protein, it's got veg, and it's got healthy fats from the avocado. And this was my meal, and I enjoyed it. When I count superfoods, I have chia seeds right up my list. They're an excellent source of fiber, and it could improve your heart's health, reduce your cholesterol levels, and in fact improve your intestinal and gut health. So because it takes a longer time to digest and makes you feel satisfied longer, it can help you lose weight and decrease your risk of any sort of diabetes or heart disease. So every now and then I use chia seeds, and I make a chia seed pudding, which is pretty easy. The base is a yogurt of your choice. I like to use Greek yogurt. You can add in a sweetener if you want, like honey or pure maple syrup, but I just have it like that. Put it in the fridge, and after a few days, that's like a pudding. It becomes thicker. Sometimes it could actually become, you can eat it like that, or you can top it up with other fruits and make like a fruit parfait, or have it with oats, have it with granola. Talking about granola, I have shared several recipes of my how I prepare granola, and on this day I made a batch. What I put together was just some rolled oats. I use organic rolled oats. I melt in a bit of coconut oil. You can use either cinnamon for flavor. I used nutmeg, and then I beat some egg white, get it stiff, and just put it in that mix, the base. You bake it for a while, and then that's it. And you can add your raisins, your nuts of your choice, and you've got your homemade granola. Fun fact, I haven't bought granola in my house in 3 years, and we often have granola, especially for breakfast, sometimes just with milk. You can have it with cooked oats or with yogurt. So this is how I will do like my fruit parfait. You can mix and match. However, I love to use berries because one, they're high in antioxidants, very low in calories, and the sweet, beautiful, tasty, and that's like a dessert. So I started with strawberries, I had some blueberries, and then raspberries. Sometimes I top it up with coconut flakes. But, you know, again, it depends on my mood when I'm eating and what my inspiration is. But generally, as a rule of thumb, you